Welcome to the Super Gold Signals, key chart signals and analysis. This is Morris. Now, I want to begin by looking at the gold market via the gold stocks, but we are looking at several videos covering a broad base areas of the market tonight. And I want to begin again with the gold stocks. And whereas gold stocks, we would like to see them off these lows, there is a very strong positive divergence that is unfolded. Stock market is underperforming the gold sector severely. As a matter of fact, whereas you look at GDX with a very timely double bottom formation, the stock market has already broken much lower. We will be looking at that in this video. The double bottom looks solid. The candlestick formations look solid. With all the volatility in the markets, we're waiting for a neckline breakout to get involved, adding to from the core positions to bringing on some trading positions. But with a positive divergence taking place right now on GDX, we've already set up with a positive divergence is suggesting rally. Now, what I mean by that, a low sub 30 on RSI in May, and now we've actually touched and went to a minor new low on the move, but RSI was higher. So that's positive divergence, and that is suggesting move plus 70 RSI at a move back to the local highs of 42 on GDX. Here is a look at Goldfield. I made comment earlier in the week with a PE of 10 on a quality senior company. We're not afraid to buy weakness. Well, we stepped in and bought weakness once. Our position is now positive. A break above the trend is actually going to this strong downtrend would actually move us up to the area of the gap and then back to that area of $14.50. Now moving to the important stock market. And when you look at this market, I want to point out something on the area right here, 366 is where the S&P closed the day on Thursday. So we're already way down here. There is a neckline. I've got it drawn like this, but actually, arguably, you could draw it right here. And if you did that, then this whole area right here could be the area of fulfillment. And since we're already at 366, then we could start beginning to look for some reversal action. Right now, I'm looking at 327. That is another over 10% from where we are. I am keeping an eye on potential reversal. Now, that said, the point of this is the Moab chart. Mother of all buys is the blue, so the red would be sells. And when you see this, I've got them slightly moved because you're looking at my moving averages and a crossover on the overall for the actual signal, and they have been very meaningful signals to go long stock market. Well, we are now in a position where we have been opposite of that, and going all the way back to April, we are down substantially. My signals here on this area, on this indicator, have worked yet again. Now, I want to take a look at Turquoise Hill, and just to say this, we took money off of the table, 30% of our commodities portfolio this week, and that was booking profits because of what we foresaw as turbulence in the market, and that has certainly been the case, lightening up and beginning to look back to the gold and silver portion of the market to allocate the money that we took off in profits on the Turquoise Hill and the commodities space. Now, if you are watching this video as a guest and not a normal subscriber, we are offering a special opportunity this weekend for you to become a subscriber on Super Gold Signals. I cover the big technical picture for gold, the stock market, and the commodities in my flagship Super Gold Signals newsletter with a focus on key candlestick action. A Fed funds rate of 1.6 is not going to stop inflation, and that is somewhere inflation rate between 8 and 15%. The Ukraine war grinds on, already a quagmire. And then, of course, there is election year and the tensions that we find in the United States. the opportunity for you just this weekend that will offer you a subscription of this service that normally costs $229 for 12 months. You will be able to get this subscription for $199 for 14 months. So don't miss out and get signed up for the very important weekend update that we produce over the weekend to get subscribers ready for market action on Monday. Now, the last chart I wanted to cover in the video is XLE. We hit nearly the top, missed it just barely, but we had been concerned about this, and I reviewed this earlier in the week to subscribers. Opening the year at 56, we run all the way up to 92. You got about an 80% move to the high, and we took a big chunk of the position off of the table, and it has been gapping lower. I am looking for re-entry on this chart, but we're not there yet. We've been RSI overbought for months, and I am looking for a move RSI under 30 and for some chop. This market has been severely overbought, and it is now definitely in corrective camp. That's all for now. This is Morris with Super Gold Signals saying thank you.